when the doctor of a Marma Shastra expert touches the body of the patient to for the purpose of healing, do you say that only the heat or the energy from the doctor is used in the healing process, or do you say that the spiritual energy of the doctor also plays a role in the treatment?
Actually, in the science it is telling that those who are practicing should have a Shiva yogi. Shiva means prana. So in everyone we only aware that only one function that we can able to know is those which related the voluntary and involuntary functions of our body. Voluntary functions we are able to know, but involuntary functions we are unable to know. How we can know these inner things? We can know the inner things through only one medium, that is the prana, that is the Shiva. So those who are practicing this Marma Shastra should become a Shiva yogi, like that it is mentioned. So if he is a Shiva yogi, he can able to know the chalana of the pranas of his body, and he can feel the inner things, then he is called as a Siddha. Those who see the inner meaning of the body is called as Siddha. So such a person who was practicing this Marma science, he can transmit certain types of things by touching and by stimulating. Without touching also he can transmit such things, and he can stimulate the inner marmas of the body, inner prana, because the prana that residing in our body and others' body is same. So only thing is we need a conductive pathway. So that conductive pathway is attaining through constant practice, dedications and the mental level. If we are able to reach up to that level, we can practice by that. But the normal practicing persons can't get that much. So on that case, we have to do the pressures up to that depth level, and by stimulations and exertions. So ideal is that type need a long term of sadhana and other things. So most of the time, in almost all practice, the persons like me and other so many persons can have to depend upon the stimulations. Otherwise, these stimulations are possible in different way. By simple breath, we can stimulate. There is no need of touch also. So what the thing here means, in certain conditions, there will be a deep-seated marmas will be affected. On that conditions, we have to give stimulations. Then the touch is necessary. So this need a rich amount of energy, what you told. On that way, if you are dealing with the treatment, it need a rich amount of energy, a rich amount of sadhanas and dedications and so many other things. The main thing is needed is, this is a flowing energy. It's there created by our great science, especially Shivas and other followers and other things. So we have to become a mediator to conduct this energy. So that has to be possible by big spiritual leaders or big sages, not like common peoples like we. So we can depend upon the other techniques that can be adopted, and we have to come across in practices. There will be so many patients will come. So we have to adopt it according to that, and we have to utilize that.